Welcome to our journey through the solar system. Today we're exploring 10 fascinating facts about each of the 8 planets, so buckle up and let's blast off. First up, we have Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It has almost no atmosphere, making its surface heavily cratered. A day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. Mercury has no moons or rings. Its large iron core makes up about 85% of its radius. Surface temperatures range from minus 173 degrees Celsius at night to 427 degrees Celsius during the day. The planet is named after the Roman messenger god. Ice can be found in its shadowed craters despite its proximity to the Sun. Mercury has a thin exosphere composed of atoms blasted off its surface by solar wind. It's the second densest planet in the solar system after Earth. Fun fact, on Mercury it doesn't rain due to the lack of atmosphere. However, its extreme temperature fluctuations are an interesting phenomenon. Next we fly to Venus, often called Earth's sister planet. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Its atmosphere is 96.5% carbon dioxide. Surface pressure on Venus is 92 times greater than Earth's. Venus rotates backwards, so the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus is home to over 1,600 volcanoes. Thick clouds of sulfuric acid cover its surface. The planet is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Venus has no moons or rings. It's the brightest object in the sky after the Sun and Moon. Fun fact. On Venus it rains sulfuric acid, but due to the extreme heat, the rain evaporates before it reaches the surface. Our home, Earth, is next. Earth is the only planet known to support life. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon. The atmosphere is 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. Its magnetic field protects us from solar wind. The Earth's rotation is gradually slowing. Our planet orbits the Sun at an average distance of 93 million miles. Earth has experienced 5 mass extinctions. Over 1,000 tons of cosmic dust fall to Earth every year. Fun fact. On Earth, we experience a variety of precipitation, including rain, snow, sleet and hail, supporting diverse ecosystems. Let's visit Mars, the red planet. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. It experiences massive dust storms that can last for months. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. The planet's reddish color comes from iron oxide or rust on its surface. A Martian year is 687 Earth days. Mars has a canyon, Valles Marineris, that's 4 times longer than the Grand Canyon. There's evidence that liquid water once flowed on Mars. Mars has seasons due to its tilted axis, just like Earth. It's home to the longest known valley in the solar system, Mariner Valley. Scientists are exploring the possibility of life on Mars. Fun fact, Mars doesn't have rain like Earth, but it does have water, ice, clouds, and frost. Now let's dive into Jupiter, the gas giant. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It has a great red spot, a storm larger than Earth. Jupiter has 79 known moons. It has a thin ring system. Jupiter's magnetic field is 14 times stronger than Earth's. The planet takes about 10 hours to complete a rotation. Jupiter emits more heat than it receives from the Sun. Its moon Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. Jupiter has a faint ring system made of dust particles. It has powerful auroras at its poles. Fun fact. On Jupiter, it is believed that it rains diamonds deep in the atmosphere due to extreme pressure. Next up is Saturn, the ringed wonder. Saturn has the most extensive rings in the solar system. Did you know the planet could float in water due to its low density? It also boasts 83 confirmed moons, with Titan, Saturn's largest moon, being bigger than Mercury. The rings themselves are made of ice and rock particles. While Saturn's magnetic field is weaker than Jupiter's, it's still quite powerful. A day on Saturn lasts about 10.7 hours, and interestingly, Saturn radiates more energy than it receives from the Sun. The planet's rings are only about 30 feet thick. Named after the Roman god of wealth and agriculture, Saturn continues to fascinate. And here's a fun fact. Like Jupiter, it is thought that it rains diamonds on Saturn due to the high pressure in its atmosphere. Now, let's glide to Uranus, the ice giant. This planet is unique as it rotates on its side. It has 27 known moons and an atmosphere mostly composed of hydrogen and helium, with some methane. Uranus also has faint rings and holds the title of the coldest planet, with temperatures dropping to -224 degrees Celsius. It takes 84 Earth years for Uranus to orbit the Sun, and a day on this planet lasts about 17 hours. The blue-green color of Uranus is due to methane in its atmosphere. Interestingly, Uranus was the first planet discovered with a telescope and is named after the Greek god of the sky. Here's a fun fact: scientists believe it rains diamonds on Uranus too, due to its extreme pressures and temperatures. Finally, we reach Neptune, the distant blue giant. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system and 14 known moons. Its largest moon, Triton, orbits backwards, which is quite unusual. The planet also has 6 rings, and a year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. Known for its deep blue color, Neptune was discovered through mathematical predictions. A day on Neptune lasts about 16 hours. The planet has a great dark spot, similar to Jupiter's storm, and is named after the Roman god of the sea. And here's another intriguing fact. Neptune, like Uranus, is thought to have diamond rain due to the conditions in its atmosphere. Please like and subscribe to our channel, Uncharted Explorations, for more fascinating journeys through our solar system and beyond.